All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. No, don't adjust your screen. There's nothing wrong with this video. I'm actually going to show you a feature that is very beneficial to people who want to up their game for their video production. And it's using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the 25 series to shoot in log. Now, this is a format that's used by people who create videos because shooting in log is kind of like a blank sheet and you add your own color details on how you want it to be after the fact when you're editing in post. Well, Samsung has went a step above and they've decided to add color correction right on the device itself with the click of a button. And it's really good, I'll say. It's not like editing on post when I'm putting it on my actual editing software, but for a person that's on the go and you want to learn how to shoot in log and you want to learn how to color correct, you can use this feature right here, and I think it's a very cool feature. So now, let's make this video look a lot better with color correction. Now, to enable log recording, you need to go into your camera settings. So open up your video camera, go down to advanced video options, scroll down until you see log. Now, you can do it in video and pro video modes. I suggest you predominantly do it in pro mode just in case you're shooting a video and you forget that log is on. So in log, and there's an icon for it at the top of the screen, but just be sure to keep this feature only for pro mode. And plus, pro mode video gives you more functionality over the microphones and everything else. So now let's color grade that video I just did. All right, now that you know how to make sure log is enabled, here's the video that I just shot on the intro. It is no color basically to it. There's color to it, but it's very faint and it's just very flat, which is why you use log to pull down as much detail as possible. But we're not going to use any fancy editing software. We're going to do it right on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the click of a button. And I'll show you video that's not shot in log versus this color graded video that's shot in log. So now, let's take a look at how you color grade quickly with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I mean, this is such a great option here. So you'll swipe up on the actual video. You can see here it was shot in UHD. 1 gig is the file, wide angle lens, all these different things here. But what you're concerned about is that button right over there on the left that says color grade, color correction. Hit that and watch what happens. Boom. Now we have a fully color graded video that looks actually really solid. Samsung cameras do good in video recording, but man, does this look great. So with that said, let's shoot a regular video, not color graded by Samsung and just coming right out of the camera in regular 4K video. Now, here is 4K 60 video right out of the phone, no log recording, just flat out 4K video. Now, this is how most people will shoot. In fact, this is how I shoot 99.99% of the videos that I come off this phone or any device that I use. I'm not color grading. Now, sometimes I will color grade, but it's not to fix. It's more to, well, I guess it's kind of to make some videos look true to life if I'm doing a vlog, but that is very few and far between. I do not color grade at all unless I just really have to. And it won't be on something like a cell phone comparison video or something like that. It'll be a video that I'm doing for information, a vlog or something like that nature. So with that said, this is what Samsung phones can do straight out of the phone, just 4K video, no log recording. I do applaud Samsung for having the ability to do like novice level color grading or color correcting right on the phone. Let's close this video out. All right, guys, so let's officially close out this video. I think this is a good thing that Samsung is putting it out there to their consumers that, here's a quick and easy way to teach people who don't know anything about log, even though there's like no promotion around these features. But this is their promotion. This is that free advertising that they get from people like me and several other people who might have put this out on the internet, that these are great features and this can take you to the next level. And with that being said, I think it's a great thing. Is it perfect? No, but there's an option for it, which is a step above or a step in the right direction. And these types of things can take you to a pro setting. Just like being able to record HDR with portrait video with Samsung, they're not really pushing these small topics, but To people who are into video like myself and use the devices to shoot content, it's a good thing. It's a positive thing. So with that, I say you should try it out yourself. Depending on what you're shooting, you're going to really enjoy what it's like to shoot in log. And I challenge you, if you're a novice, because I consider myself to be a novice when it comes to color grading. Even though I have this little easy software on the phone, I actually have editing software. And I play with it sometimes. I get into it and try to see if I can make it look a certain way. But what I like may not be what you like. Now, Samsung phones are notorious for having oversaturation when it comes to their colors. So how did the phone do for that color grading or color correction option that they do have? Try it on your phone. I think you'll get a better sense of it if you haven't already done so. So features are in. Like I'm really big on the HDR portrait video. I think it's really fire. Being able to do portrait video with HDR now, and then having the log, be able to record in log, I think it's great. Will I use the log recording a lot? Probably not. But if I'm outside shooting in a nice, hot, sunny day, it depends on what I'm shooting, who I'm shooting, what they're wearing. Like if you look at the color of my shirt today, it's like a deep yellow mustardy almost. And so this content, what my skin tone is going to look like it's popping. It's going to be really good. So it depending on what you're shooting and how you're trying to use the footage, this is the key thing for you. So I like to use the products that I'm buying, and I like to use them to talk about them sometimes because I think this is more beneficial to you. I'm in my living room. There's a huge echo probably, but Samsung's microphones should be canceling out some of those echoes. And the colors are being produced, how they're being produced. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. New feature to Samsung phones. Will you use it? Have you used it? Do you think it's beneficial to you as a person who's going to be creating, or just a regular consumer? Especially regular consumers, will you ever use this feature? I think about 99% of the regular consumers won't use this feature. Unless they're into videography and they have some sense about what log is. But most of the people never went to this setting. If they did go to it, they just kind of read it and skipped over it and was like, I don't want to use this because I don't want to work after the fact. But again, I like how Samsung made it easy for you to get into color grading. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.